Well, hey guys, well, out riding around checking out campgrounds. I'm here in Chesapeake, Virginia. We're at the Chesapeake Campground, just off the George Washington Parkway. So we're gonna ride through and check it out and kind of see. I've seen some mixed reviews on different sites, RV Parky, RV Park Advisor. Seen some mixed reviews on it, so we're gonna ride through and check it out. So come along with me and we'll check it out. We have the stables. People store their campers. Now we're coming into the campground. Church right there. These here are full hookup sites. Looks like there's some long-termers here too. We are at the Chesapeake Campground in Chesapeake, Virginia. Parking for extra people. Cabin rentals. Tent City. Oh, there's something you don't see. Somebody riding a unicycle on the campground. have security lights, man, at the trees. A lot of old campers. Look like they live here full time. Like that's the shower houses. Bath houses, shower houses. There. Yeah, you got people that's been here for a long time. Swimming pool. Need to go down through there. Exercise room. Alright guys, well that was Chesapeake Campground. So not really what I thought. It's got a lot of, looks like a lot of long-term stays, a lot of older campers, places that hadn't really been taken care of. I even seen people mounting spotlights and floodlights on trees beside their campers. So it looks like it's not as good as what I thought it would be. So, but that was a little quick overview, just kind of riding through, looking at it. So I'll leave you with that, and we're gonna head back. I'm gonna head back to Teresa's aunt's now. It's Thursday. We're getting ready to actually pack up and head out tomorrow. Gonna be taking our time going back and try to stay, visit some friends on the way back down. So. But y'all guys hang in there. I appreciate you stopping by, checking out this video. Maybe this video will help you next time you up this way. As always, if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, check out my channel some more, and I appreciate y'all stopping by. As always, life's too short. Get out there and create memories by making your own adventures. So we'll see you on the next one.